This video is an introduction to binary mathematics. Decimal numbers are what we all use every day. It has 10 digits, 0 to 9. Binary is just an alternative number system with only 2 digits, 0 and 1. We learn that decimal numbers are made up of columns, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. This is because each column is a power of 10. Binary is pretty much the same, except each column is a power of 2. These numbers can make learning binary easier, so expanding them can be useful. If I wanted to convert a binary number into decimal, I first write out the column values and put the number underneath. So the binary number 1111 in decimal is 15. I just add up all the columns with a 1 in them. So for example 1011 would be 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is 11. To convert decimal numbers into binary, I need to use the columns again. You have to find the remainder of the decimal number and try to put it in the next column. For example, 12 doesn't go into 16, so we start off at 8. 12 take 8 is 4. So the remainder is 4. It does go into 8, so you put a 1 in the 8 column. Take the 4 over to the next column. 4 goes into 4 perfectly with no remainder, so you put a 1 in that column, and all the rest of the columns after that have 0 in them. So 12 in binary is 1100. To make sure that everything in this section is correct, I'm going to do the sum in decimal first, then I'll convert each number in the sum to a binary number, do the binary sum, and we'll see if the answers are the same. So 5 plus 7 is 12, 5 is 101, 7 is 111, and 12 is 1100. So 101 plus 111 should equal 1100. We'll do it just as we add decimal numbers from right to left. So 1 plus 1 is 10, and we carry the 1 over. 0 plus 1 is 10, and we carry the 1 over again. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1. So it works. That's how you add binary numbers. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 is 1010, 3 is 11, and 7 is 111. So 1010 take 11 should equal 111. Just like in decimal, you can't do 0 take 1, so you have to get a larger number from somewhere else. So if we take the 1 from here and carry it over to here, we can now do 10 take 1, which is 1. And there's a 0 there now, and again we can't do 0 take 1, and we can't take a number from the next column because that's 0 as well. So we have to go and take a 1 from here and carry it over, and then take 1 from here and put it here. We can now do 10 take 1, which is 1. Now the only thing that's left is that 1 there. 1 take nothing is 1. So this works too. 1010 take 11 is equal to 111. You may expect multiplying and dividing binary numbers to be quite difficult, but it's probably more like what you'd do in decimal than adding and subtracting was. But I'll use the same method as before just to show you how it's done. 4 times 3 is 12, 4 is 100, 3 is 11, and 12 is 1100. And you can probably guess just by looking that this does work. 100 times 11 is just like 100 times 11. And it's just the same process as you do in binary, so that's why this is probably easier than adding and subtracting, because it's 100 times 11 is just the same as 100 times 11. You get the same answer. It's the same process. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 20 is 10100, 4 is 100, and 5 is 101. Just like multiplication, you can probably tell that this already works, but I'll show you the process just so you can do it yourself. So 100 goes into 101 once. So you put the 1 there and you bring across the remainder of 1. You bring down the next number, and you can't do 100 into 100 into 10, so you put a 0 there and you bring down the next number, and 100 goes into 100 perfectly with no remainder, so you put a 1 there and voila, that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, but if it was confusing, please let us know. Also, if there is another topic you'd like help with, please tell us on the AtticAcademy channel.